Welcome to Feature Friday, where we explore the cool functions of our Roof Wizard software. Today we've got an interesting one. This was described to me as a curved roof, but actually the roof is flat. It's a regular slope roof with corrugated or similar material on it. It's the edge that's curved. So in any case, let's see how we tackle this, and you'll find that it's actually quite simple and fun to do. First thing we do is bring our image in and scale it, which we've done already. We then create our roof shape. So we use our construct roof, and I'm going to digitize the shape because I'm working to full size. Now you could change the snap angles if you wanted to 1 or 2 degrees, but you don't need to do that. And I'll show you how we get around that in a minute. So the first thing we want to do is draw a big old rectangular roof to the extent of that gable end of our roof. Somewhere out here, somewhere, and close square. And the slope of the main roof is 12 degrees. And eave height, whatever, no overhangs, and we hit OK. And then I want a vertical plane on that edge and a vertical plane on that edge. Did I get it? I don't think I got it. There we go, it's out there. And we go yes, and continue. So there's our roof. Now if I just blank the image for a minute, you'll see what I've done. I'll just hide the image. You'll see it's just big old rectangle roof. But now what we've got to do is create this shape, and we do that using the Modify Roof Cutout function. We're going to digitize the cutout, and we're going to cut the visible planes, and we hit OK. And as I said, we can change the snap, but we don't need to. So if I start from, if I zoom in a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to start, I've got to come around here and make my way around the roof. So I'm going to start out here somewhere and come across to about there. And now I hold down the control key. And when I hold down the control key, I can just draw my cutout perimeter to any shape I want. And I'll just run around here real quick. Oh, there's a bit of a trap. See the shadow? It makes it look like the roof's in a different place. Pay attention, guys. And there, and there, and there, and around we go. Holding down the control key, coming off grid. Now you'll notice if I let the control key go, see how the cursor is trying to snap to 45 because that's what we set it to. But when I hold down the control key, I can go anywhere I like. And that allows me to produce a very close approximation. And if you go, whoops, just step back and you might even step back again. So these are functions that you need to practice, and you'll always be able to get the results you need when you know how to use the tools that we provide. So anyway, rushing at it now. So, and all the way around. Now we come all the way out past the end of the roof and all the way down here, and then right click and then close square. And you want to cut it out? Yes. And just so you can see what we've done, if I grab our roof and move it out to the side so you can see what it's done relative to the picture, and there's our roof. Perfect. So tools, shape pitch, there we go, 12 degree down, ridge line, and a whole bunch of gutter lines. So whilst you may or may not buy your trims in tiny little lengths, the total length of trim there will be whatever's required, and then the installer's going to do what he needs to do with it. Okie doke, so that's Feature Friday for this week. Have a great weekend, and we look forward to catching up again soon. Bye for now.